is our sore throats. And I kind of got in a pickle here because I usually make mine with lemon, but we were out of lemons and my husband was sick with a terrible sore throat, and so I only had limes, and he loves orange juice, so I kind of came up with this recipe, and we actually like it better. So this is going to help your sore throats. I ended up catching a cold from them, of course, and sore throat. So I'm going to heat about 4 to 6 ounces of water in the microwave for 30 seconds. When that comes out, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of Cox's honey in it and dissolve it. And while it's dissolving, I will heat these just a little bit, just a few seconds in the microwave, and I'll juice these inside of the drink with my handy dandy juicer, which I got from the Mexican store. I love it. And I'll sprinkle cinnamon on top. So I'll be back in just a minute. I'll show you what the end product looks like. Okay, so I'm back. I did heat these up a little bit. I have to do this because it's too big for this. When you put it in the microwave, it makes it juicier. I've had this for years. My sister got that for me. It's awesome. So while that's dripping out, I'll put this in. Oh, fret the honey first because it actually dissolves better if that's the first thing in there. So you can see that up close. 2 teaspoons, more or less, depending on you, but honey just helps loosen the phlegm in there. While that's dissolving, put this in there. Down, that's how it goes. Juices out better. Notice how the juice just comes out so much easier when it's heated up. Add the orange juice. You stir it. And we sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on there. I'll show you what it looks like. It just loosens that phlegm right up. It's so see that? Sore throat, this is just so good. Be sure and subscribe to my channel and share with other people, especially this fall time. They're going to need this recipe. And comment below if you have any questions or anything you would like to hear on this YouTubes. I just drank some of this. It's so yummy. Don't even have to have a sore throat to drink this. It just relieves all of it. Here. But go to my Facebook page or my group, join them so you know what's going on. Instagram, Pinterest, I put all the recipes on there, and Twitter. And have a sweet day.